Electrical contact cleaners. Why use electron dielectric aerosol? The term dielectric refers to an electrical insulator that can be polarized and subjected to an electrical field without electricity from the field transmitting through the insulator and back to the source that admits the substance that contains the dielectric. This crucial safety factor is one reason why we recommend electron dielectric aerosol over other cleaners for electrical contact cleaning. Additional reasons why we promote the solution for contact cleaning are: high flash point. Electron has a TCC flash point above 145 degrees Fahrenheit, which classifies the cleaner as a non-flammable liquid. This aspect of electron is highly important when it is used to clean contacts and equipment that must remain energized during the cleaning process. Using a flammable aerosol cleaner that has a low flash point for this application could result in a fire that destroys the equipment that is cleaned and injures the worker who applies the cleaner. Fully evaporative, no residue. Electrical contact cleaners should be fully evaporative to avoid leaving residue on contacts that causes dirt and grime to collect. Because these substances can inhibit the flow of electricity when they come between electrical contacts and their contact points, proper procedure dictates that contacts must be residue-free only a short time after the dielectric contact cleaners are applied. Electron is applied in 2 rounds, one to break up the grime and another to wash it away. Water-free formulation. Because most electrical contacts are made of metal that can oxidize in the presence of water-based moisture, electrical contact cleaners should ideally have a water-free formulation. Electron exhibits this important characteristic. When you apply the cleaner to electrical contacts, you can rest assured that the metal will not experience water-induced oxidation. No hazardous ingredients. Electron contains no OSHA PEL or ACGIH TLV listed ingredients, nor does it contain SARA or RCRA listed ingredients. When choosing an electrical contact cleaner, the last thing you want to select is a product whose hazardous ingredients could result in it being regulated to the point that you could no longer use it to perform crucial contact cleaning operations on a schedule on which they must be performed. Electron dielectric solvent prevents this issue. Precision contact cleaning. Electron in aerosol form is an excellent solution for precision cleaning electrical contacts that are difficult or impossible to reach with hand wipes. Why not use trigger spray foam instead of aerosol? Aerosol emits particles evenly over the surface of contacts and produces little, if any, excess solvent that makes its way to the waste trap. You may invest slightly more to get the aerosol form of electrical contact cleaners, but they could help reduce waste disposal costs. If your organization is in the market for electrical contact cleaners, consider the many benefits that come with using electron in aerosol form. For more information about the solution, please check the description below.